Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change the username of your Instagram account, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change the username of your Instagram account very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and then click on profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on settings and privacy. And here click on account center. Here it will show different options. You have to click on profiles. And then it will show you your accounts of Facebook and Instagrams. Now select the account in which you want to change the username. As I want to change the username of my second account, click on it. And here click on username. So here you can change the username whatever you want. For example, I want to make this username as this. So I have changed this and click on done. So guys, you can see our username has been changed. In this way, you can change the username of your Instagram account very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.